Welcome back, ladies and gents. This is the DMV Weave Doctor. We will be demonstrating a hair loss transformation for you today. This is our full lace unit. We have now secured her unit down. We use adhesive and we also use some sewing thread to help secure her unit. This is a kinky straight unit again, and this hair mimics African American hair. It moves and acts like it's real hair. She will be able to part this hair all over because it is a free part unit. And if you want to make your parts more defined, you can pluck them, you can bleach your knots, or you can use a hot comb or a blow dryer to set the part in place. This is a beautiful unit. It really does look like her hair, and everyone on her job thinks it is her hair because she brought it. Now we have styled her hair with a 1-inch flat iron, with a ceramic flat iron, and we gave her a little bit of baby hair. We applied a little bit of argan oil, and we suggest with any full lace or hair extensions to use the minimal amount of product as possible and to use non-sulfate shampoos and conditioners, and we suggest light conditioners. This hair can be styled and curled however that you want. For more information, please feel free to book us now at mainattractionshair.com. We specialize in hair replacement, hair loss replacement, and we have private rooms available. Thank you so much.